Hey, everybody, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Count them down. You ready? Let's go. Okay. Today's tip is a true or false question that is going to require you to take some real time to think about what your answer is going to be and why your answer is. Are you ready? True or false? The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Question for you. Is that true? Is that false? Why is that? And how much responsibility do you have over that in your life? This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, email david@grantcardone.com, call 310-777-0352, or pop on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays.